Okay, this is Mario once again, and I'm about to run my EMT conduit and maker pipe connector go-kart along this track here. I cleared it the other day. There's a lot of rocks. So, what's the voltage here? 37, 38. It's a little bit low, but we'll go for a short run. Let's see if I can plug in my lights. Okay. Looks like they're not on. For some reason, my lights are not on. My lights are not on. What's going on with my lights? Sand. That's sand. Okay. Nice and sweet. I need to work a little more on this track, get it a little more cleaned up, put some edging here, maybe some synthetic grass. Yeah, it's taking a long time. A lot of hard work too. Anyway, stay tuned for more.